thank you, and again, just a welcome to both of you to come and visit the factory. Yes, I think the excitement of this project was that we're introducing brand new technology in PVC. Unlike the old traditional U and N PVC, which has become quite a generic product now used in the market, very familiar with engineers, we're introducing biaxial orientated PVC. And the benefits of this product is it allows us now to go into higher pressure ranges and into larger diameters. And for the first time, plastic material is able to come in and compete with the old traditional metallic pipe that's been used for bulk water services. So that's the excitement here. The technology that we have is with the acknowledged leader in the biaxial orientation technology development, which is a company in Spain called Moleko. So they are our partners in this venture. They're also very excited, and hence they wanted to come in as at least a 50% partner. They would have liked more, but we were happy to cap it there. Good, so I'm going to just do a little very easy diagram of how everything works. If we looked at the molecular structure of a standard U or MPVC product, the molecular structure would look like that. It's what we call a random molecular structure. Now, going through the biaxial orientation process is where we actually take that molecular structure and we actually form it into a chain. And we know that a chain in that form is much stronger than the individual molecular structure like that. And that forms a much stronger, which doubles the strength of the material.
Brilliant.
Well, first of all, the location. Right now, all the plants that are around the world are usually inland as opposed to on the coastal region. And the first real challenge that we had here was, of course, coming and locating the factory here right next to the sea, where the humidity is exceptionally high. And the challenges went from trying to get to understand the flow of material in the manufacturing process, plus the high corrosive elements that we had to challenge. So as we've got to understand what the real problems are of this particular site, so we've been able to manage the system by implementing certain maintenance routines, which eliminates the aggressiveness of the site. Well, the nice part of it is the license that we've got from Moleko is that we're really looking after Sub-Sahara. So we're looking anything in the southern African area. And of course, we know for water is a huge undersupply at the moment, or lack of services in all our African countries. So we are now given a product that first of all has made it labor easy or be very user friendly, and it certainly is going to assist in the speed of getting that water service delivery to the market, to the countries that need the water. This is still early days. The technology that we've introduced here is a big investment. It far exceeds the traditional conventional lines that are used for making any plastic materials. And this is just the start of it. The plan is for this plant to have 5 machines up and running. We currently only have 2. So we have a fair amount of expansion to take place still to get to our first target, which is 5 lines here. That will certainly give a lot of capacity in terms of being able to supply the areas we've been given by Moleko to service internationally.